I bet you started learning Romanian with Duolingo. But is the more popular app actually the best way to learn? Let the games begin. Romanian is spoken by around 24 million people worldwide, which means this language will open up new experiences for you. But most people just stick to earning daily streaks and not really learning the language. So, let's break down the features of these two apps to see which is better. First, the audio. Audio and sounds are the key when it comes to learning or using a language. If one tone is wrong, your sentence could turn into something totally different than what you're trying to communicate. That's why it's crucial to learn the audio from the right source. Duolingo uses text-to-speech audio. They're consistent, but lacks the soul and the accent from a real person. Ling uses native speaker recordings for every lesson. So if you want to sound like a local and not a computer, Ling wins this round. Click the link in the description below to give Ling a try and hear the audio for yourself. Next, motivation technique. It's quite easy to forget to take a lesson, but it's the only way to train your brain to remember a new language. That's why motivation techniques are crucial. Duolingo is great at keeping you coming back with a streak system that nudges you constantly. But these streaks are designed for retention, not necessarily for learning. Ling has streaks too, but they aren't pushy. Ling's system is built to keep you motivated without pushing you for missing a day. It's got a streak saver feature that you can earn so that your progress won't be completely lost even if you miss a day of learning. They even send notifications that actually teach you new words. Let's compare one more thing. Real-world use case. You can learn tons of phrases and memorize all of them, but it's probably not going to be very helpful if you're not learning phrases that you'll actually use in real life. Duolingo is known for quirky sentences. You'll only understand words and not the whole sentence, even if your daily streaks are super high. Ling focuses on functional survival. We're talking real dialogues you actually use, maybe at a restaurant, maybe at a train station. Plus, Ling gives you culture notes, so you're learning the etiquette of the native speakers. Now let's look at the real-time conversation practice. If you don't have a way to practice the language, all your learning and earning streaks become useless. Let's explore how each app solves their issues for their users. Duolingo focuses heavily on translations and clicking buttons. It's easy, but it doesn't prepare you for a real conversation. Ling features an interactive chatbot with real people audio that stimulates real-life scenarios. That way you can practice responding to a waiter or a friend in a safe space, helping you build a confidence to actually speak when you're abroad. And one more thing, the fundamental for learning every language, word reviewing. Reviewing your vocabulary is a life-changing habit to develop when learning a new language. It helps with long-term retention and is the key to fluency. Duolingo keeps you on a linear path, forcing you to review what their algorithm chooses. But sometimes you don't need to review words you already know. Ling offers a save to favorite feature. You can tag the specific words you struggle with and revisit them until you're satisfied. Now that the comparisons are done, what do you think? If you're interested in using Ling, click the link in the description below and try out 2 units for free. Have a good language learning journey!